Mr. Ruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm. When we talk about achievements of the Indian defense sector, 2024 is a year of monumental advancements and strategic initiatives for India. As we bid farewell to 2024, a question arises: will the coming year hold for a nation on the cusp of global prominence? But before moving on to 2025, let us delve into some of the major defense developments that shaped the nation in 2024. Reflecting on this year, it is evident that India has made remarkable strides in various sectors, especially in defense and diplomacy. These achievements have not only strengthened the nation's security but also positioned it as a significant player on the world stage. The first one: India-China border. The long-standing India-China border dispute, which has seen frequent escalations over the years, took a significant step towards resolution in 2024. Through sustained dialogue and diplomacy, the two nations achieved a broad consensus to restore the ground situation in specific areas along the line of actual control. This achievement underscores the importance of continuous engagement in reducing tensions and fostering mutual understanding. By prioritizing dialogue, India and China have demonstrated their commitment to maintaining peace and stability in the region. The second one: Atmanirbharta in defense. The Indian government's Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative in defense saw remarkable advancements in 2024. The introduction of fifth positive indigenization list marked a key milestone. This list includes 346 items crucial for defense production, such as advanced weapon systems, sensors, other vital components. With this addition, India has now indigenized 4,996 items, significantly reducing its reliance on imports and enhancing self-reliance in critical defense sectors. In a record-breaking achievement, India's indigenous defense production surged to Rs 1,26,887 crores, reflecting a 16.7% growth compared to the previous year. This robust growth underscores the effectiveness of government policies aimed at fostering indigenous manufacturing capabilities. Public sector undertakings contributed 79.2% to this production, while the private sector accounted for 20.8%. The government has set an ambitious target of achieving 3 lakh crores in defense production by 2029, bolstering national security and economic resilience. In 2024, the Tata Aircraft Complex in Vadodara was inaugurated to manufacture C-295 transport aircraft. This facility, a testament to the success of public-private partnerships, underscores India's commitment to self-reliance in defense production. The C-295 aircraft will bolster the Indian Air Force's tactical transport capabilities, ensuring operational efficiency and reducing dependency on imports. Looking on to women Agniveer sailors. The Indian Navy is set to make history by developing over 250 women Agniveer sailors aboard its ships starting next month. This landmark move marks a significant stride towards gender equality in the armed forces. The first two batches of Agniveers included over 700 women, and the number is expected to surpass 1,000 with the third batch's graduation in March 2024. Further, moving on to defense exports. India achieved a historic milestone in defense exports in fiscal year 2023-24, reaching 21,083 crore rupees, a 32.5% increase from the previous year. This growth highlights India's rising prominence in the global defense market. The private sector contributed 60% of the export value, with DPSUs accounting for the remainder. India is on track to achieve 50,000 crore rupees in defense exports by 2029, further cementing its position as a global defense exporter. Let us not forget about INS Arighat and INS Tushil. India's naval capabilities received a substantial boost with the commissioning of INS Arighat, the second Arihant-class nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. Featuring indigenous systems, INS Arighat enhances India's nuclear deterrence capabilities. The Navy also inducted INS Tushil, a state-of-the-art stealth-guided missile frigate. Equipped with advanced missile systems and multi-role capabilities, INS Tushil significantly strengthens India's maritime defense. Another defense achievement, LCH Prachand and ILT Zorawar. The Light Combat Helicopter Prachand, fully inducted into the Indian Air Force, showcased its advanced capabilities during high-altitude trials. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the LCH is a game-changer for operations in challenging terrains. The Indian Light Tank Zorawar, developed by DRDO, successfully demonstrated its firepower capabilities by firing multiple rounds at various ranges. Conducted at altitudes exceeding 4,200 meters, these trials reinforced Zorawar's suitability for operations in extreme terrain, enhancing India's armoured capabilities. In 2024, India bolstered its international defence partnerships through high-level dialogues and agreements. Key highlights include: first, the third India-Japan 2+2 ministerial dialogue in New Delhi, reflecting strong strategic ties. Second, the sixth India-Singapore defence dialogue, underscoring deep bilateral relations. Third, defence agreements with the US for MQ-9B Sky Guardian drones, enhancing surveillance capabilities. These collaborations emphasize India's commitment to regional security and its growing role in global defence. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh led the way in strengthening defence diplomacy in 2024 through strategic visits to the US, Russia, the UK, and other nations. These high-level engagements facilitated key defence agreements and reinforced India's role as a reliable partner in regional and global security frameworks. Defence budget and capital acquisitions. The Ministry of Defence was allocated a record 6.22 lakh crore rupees, the highest among all ministries. This substantial budget reflects the government's dedication to modernizing the armed forces and enhancing national security. The Defence Acquisition Council approved proposals worth 4,22,129 crore rupees, with 94% allocated to domestic procurement. This move aligns with India's self-reliance goals, ensuring a robust defence manufacturing ecosystem. The year 2024 marks a transformative phase in India's defence journey. From technological advancements and record-breaking production to strengthened global partnerships, India has firmly established itself as a self-reliant and globally competitive defence power. These achievements not only enhance national security but also pave the way for India's emergence as a key player in the global defence landscape. As we bid farewell to 2024, the question remains: how will India's defence rise in 2025? Will we witness more technological breakthroughs, strengthen global collaborations, or new milestone in self-reliance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective on the path forward for India's defence journey. For more updates and insights, don't forget to subscribe to Rhythm and hit the bell icon to stay informed. Jai Hind.